What we have here is a 1962 Chevy Biscayne. It is an all original. Came with a 283 2-speed power glide. It's dual exhaust. It's a one family owned vehicle. Multiple members in the family have owned it, but it's in the same bloodline. Had a little rust, the typical rust spots there and there, and the floor panels were eaten out, as you can see real quick. Everything's original as it came in. It came with power AC. I put new carpet, had the upholstery done. Everything up top looks good. Got a little surface rust there, and the back is done. So basically what we did, we just wet sanded over the original paint. It's still original paint, factory paint. Has looks like it has all the original windows, manufactured windows. We basically just wet sanded some of the surface rust and clear glossed it. We clear coated it. And we just wet sanded that. Original hubcaps. Original chrome. I mean, that's pretty good for 57-year-old chrome. There's the motor, 283. Came with factory AC. I'm not sure if it works. Haven't tested it, but it does spin. I do have a compressor. This vehicle is for sale. Still has the original glass there. It's pretty damn straight, the lines. It looks like someone did, well, I know someone did try to repair right here, a little small little bump. Story told to me, one of the girls in the family hit a tree or something, I don't know. And that's just more patina that has just been wet sanded and clear coated. That's the front. So the dream, the nightmare part is over. This car has original miles on it. This has to be kind of tightened up. The shimmy's a little loose with that door. Has original miles. Those are all original miles. 50,802. When I got it, I think it had 50,006 something. I haven't driven this thing much at all. Most of the mechanic. And I mean, the guy who did the interior, he's a boss. He does a lot of work for West Coast and does a lot of work. A lot of his work is featured in low ride magazines. He is not the fastest, but he is pretty damn good. So, if you like, give me a buzz. Area code 206. That's some more the typical little fender rust. Like I said, we just repaired that, then just clear coated it. And any questions, just give me a call, 206-578-1005. Here's the back one more time. Just the natural patina. And dual exhaust. Still has the original license plate in the front from whenever the family bought it.